Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. So for the lovers of bald hair or those that love the boys cut, I want to give this video dedicated to one of our subscribers, Joey Duncan, because she asked that she needs more of bald haircut, the very low, because she's the body, and so she wants us to bring more of bad haircuts. So for the lovers of bad hair and those that love the bright cut, those that don't want much hair on their head, we dedicate this video to you, or especially to the beautiful matured women, because this low cut hairstyle is one of the best styles. It's so versatile. You can use different colors on it, you can draw different patterns on it, and you can see achieving no much stress is needed on this kind of hairstyles. All you have to do, just use a leave-in conditioner and you are curl enhancer and you are good to go. Even sometimes with just water and gel, and the gel I can talk about is the excuse me guys, the gel, I don't know what's going on, but the gel I can talk about is the Eco Styling Professional Gel, and the other So White, is this So White, this black gel. They are the kind of gel you can use just with water and gel, or with water and any kind of gel. We have different product, that from the cow's daughter, we have from the mirror. There are so many gel you can use. Although when you have those very low maintenance hairstyle, you will just use water first of all, then use the gel and use your hand, to rub it around like as if you're using your sponge comb, and your coil sponge, and you're going to get the kind of the fine coils you want. So all you just have to do, you can give it that pattern to make it look different, to make it look so exquisite. So there are so many ways you can just style a very low maintenance hairstyle. And this one thing about this hairstyle is the fact that it's a wash and go, even without even adding anything. Once you just pour water and you're out of the house, you will always look gorgeous. It's not something you have to like check how you will feel or how you look. It's a style that you carry all day long and you will always look beautiful, and it's hairstyle that will take many years off your age and always make you look gorgeous, and it will definitely turn eyes to you. So I just want you guys to just check out this beautiful versatile low cut maintenance low cut hairstyles for beautiful black women. Let me know your minds, how you feel about this hair, in the comment section below. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. Stay logged for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way in the next few hours. God bless you guys.
Angel, queen of my heart. Deep down I know you belong to the stars. You're the reason why I work so hard. Angel, queen of my heart. Deep down I know that I might never meet up, baby, but I'll keep on trying. But deep down I know I might never meet up, but I will keep on trying. If you need to go somewhere else, you can. If you need to love someone else, it's fine. Deep down I know I can never meet up. Deep down I know you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You can go and be happy. Oh my little girl, be happy. You deserve more than I can ever give. You deserve. I know say you get toasters, many in a Benz. Say me all I really have are my legs. All I really have is a heart and cards. But baby, deep down I know that's not enough. If you need to go, 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 be happy. If you need to go, 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 be happy. If you need to go, 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 be happy. Deep down I feel bad, but I know that you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. Deep down I know that you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. I've been told that love is about sacrifices. I didn't know that the time will come for mine. Oh, it hurts so bad. Now I gotta let you go. You deserve the kind of life that I can give. You deserve the kind of joy that I can bring. Oh, 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 oh. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I'ma let y'all go be happy. Go be happy. Go be happy. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Oh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. You deserve. You deserve. I'm gonna be alone.